Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad ABS control module and it's time to replace it? The first sign that you know that the ABS control module is failing is when you see the ABS light turning on the dashboard and you see the check engine light turning on as well. When the ABS light turns on, it is to warn the driver that there's a problem in the ABS system. And when the check engine light turns on as well and you scan it for codes and you get a U0121 code, that means your ABS control module is failing. When you're getting a U0121 code, that means the ABS control module is not communicating with other control module, such as the engine control module. Some of the reasons why you're getting a U0121 code is because most likely you have a failed ABS control module. Either that or you can have a bad CAN bus. It can either be open or shorted in the circuit. The ABS control module is built together with the ABS pump. When you see these hydraulic lines, that side is going to be the ABS pump. And on the other side is going to be the ABS control module, which is basically the brain of the ABS system. The next sign that you know that your ABS control module is failing is when your brakes start to lock up. The purpose of having an ABS system is to prevent the brakes from locking up during a panic stop. If there's an issue in your ABS system caused by a failed ABS control module, your vehicle can actually skid when you step on the brake pedal way too hard, way too fast. When the ABS control module fails, it cannot make adjustment to hydraulic pressure in the brake system. This can cause the vehicle to skid during a panic stop, and also a driver will notice increased braking distance. The next sign that you know that your ABS control module is failing is your brake become somewhat unresponsive. So how do you fix the ABS control module? The answer is simple. You could either replace it with another ABS control module by matching up the part number and have it reprogrammed afterward, or you can remove the ABS control module from the ABS pump and you can send it in to a specialist and they can fix it and they'll send it back to you. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.